Hello everyone. Welcome to Minding Media YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I will present facts about the world and many funniest videos. If you are new for this channel, please start by subscribing and make sure to ring sign to reach videos every day for yours video. What a beauty is nature. Hello everyone. Nature in our world is so beautiful and very amazingness occurs. For example, look at this flower garden. It's very beautiful and attractive to see. If you are very interesting to the nature of the world, there are many amazing factors and beauties which makes our world more attractive. Let us see this village area. This is an amazing when you see those couples when they are in video grass, and you have also an unexpected emotion when you see this amazing thing. This ocean is so one of the image of our nature and its beauty. If you think the nature of this ocean, we have some difficulties to judge how much is nature beautiful. Also very amazing in nature when we see this kind of association in our living environment, ocean, the birds and animals just found around the ocean. When we see this kind of bird's net and her position and environment around it creates very beauty, emotion, and it is useful for recreational. So everyone, our world is so amazing and recreation for as when you are good in protecting its nature and preserving it from destruction. So be best and strive for use nature to protect the world's beauty.